Wow, I gotta wake up. I'm gonna be late for my show. And I gotta go to vacation. Apple will do the check. Bless you. Bless you. Done. Oh my goodness. I'm such a bad driver because I'm so worried about this new song. People have been commanding for a Halloween song, so I came up with one for all my fans. It's a TV show. Let me see. Oh, hi fans, you came to watch it live. Okay. I'll start showing in 3, 2, 1, go.
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. La 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 la
Oh, guys, I have a bunch of others.
Where's my dad? It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Think I'm gonna make it out alive.
Oh, here, undercover. She said, green, black, blue, sack.
In my way, you're still
Wishing so where you think of going, baby?
I'm mad at
Disney, the tricks me, had me wishing on a shooting star.
but now I'm 20 something. I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a truth, I can
Promise the flowers
write my
in
name
the sand.
talking
Myself for hours.
say things you don't understand.
I can so fancy. Hello, mommy. You can. What is happening on a different thing? say goodbye. Sometimes I would think about the shoe. And I freaking me out. And I'll be on now. Over here went undercover. She said, green grass, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green grass, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. The ghetto, Emily. Yes. Over here and undercover. She said, green grass, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. It's green grass, bleed up. Better throw a party on the day that I die. Happy.
I'm sorry. Hi guys, welcome back.
Fix you. I was up time, letting you loose. I was really, and I'm up behind. Yes, sir, not power. Lightning, thunder. Gonna bring us you pick me up, Oliva. Okay, that was the end of today's show. I gotta get to vacation. Hope me good luck. Good luck, my favorite YouTuber. That's a long day. I'm gonna be away from my trip if I don't go soon. Okay. Luckily the airport's right here. I have 1 minute to board. Spain. On time. Okay, it's time to go. I see an airplane. Whoa, we're going. We're here. Okay, why do you make it go? Well, I need to get a hotel. For one. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now, sorry for the late videos and sorry for short. Bye, guys!